This video is going to show you how to change the brush on a Karcher Sensor XP12 vacuum cleaner. This is what we are replacing. First thing you want to make sure of is that your vacuum cleaner is unplugged. Always leave the vacuum cleaner unplugged. You're going to need your vacuum, and you're going to need the replacement brush. This is what we are replacing right here. What you're going to do is you're going to lay the vacuum down. Okay, so whoever was doing this didn't keep their brush clean. You shouldn't let hair like this build up on a brush vacuum. It's very bad for the motor. But step one, what you're going to do is on top of the vacuum, there's a button right here. Pushes in and out, shows the brush. What you're going to do is you're going to lay this vacuum down. You're going to press that, and there's a little panel right here, the end of the brush. This little panel, when you press that button, that panel comes off. And then you simply just, This right here is an example of what not to do with your brushes. This hair buildup, that's a big no-no. But these brushes have two ends. They have one end that's got a hole like a female end, one end that's got what I call a male end. This only goes on one way. If you look inside the vacuum underneath, there's a spindle right here. Female end, you just literally slide this down. Very simple. Once you get it down there, you got to give it a little twist till it sets in. It's done. Next step, take your cap again. Place the top on. Place the bottom on. Give it a little tap. Good to go. That is how you change the brush on a Windsor Sensor XP12 vacuum cleaner. Again, don't ever let your vacuum brushes get like this. It's very, very bad. Thanks for watching. For more custodial tips, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, thumbs up, and if you have any questions about this vacuum cleaner, let me know down below. Have a great day.